In this video, we are going to see how we can explore a sample company or open a sample company if you want to practice some of the functions in Sage. So when we open the software, we get this interface right here where we can open an existing company if we already have one. We can also create a new company if we want to. And the other task is mentioned below. You can convert from another accounting program as well. But let's explore a sample company. Let's say I want to see the sample transactions in this one. We have a garden supply company. So it says this is a retail and service company that demonstrates Sage 50 inventory and job tracking capabilities. So if your business is related to that, which manages inventory and also track some jobs, you can continue with this. Otherwise, there is other company as well, which is Stone Arbor Landscaping. This is a service company that demonstrate Sage 50 time and billing features. So whatever is suitable for you, just continue with that one. I'll just select the first one and click OK. It will extract the company data. Click OK. It says you can use this company in the student version, accounting for the next 14 months. Click OK. And there you go. This is the interface of Sage. And this is where you can work on different areas. As you can see on the right hand side, we have the customers. All customers are mentioned with some balances. So you will find every area, whether it's vendor, whether it's customer, whether it's inventory, with some entries as well. So it makes it so easier to explore the overall functionality of the software because you can export different reports. You can see how different data looks in the software. So that's how you can explore the sample company. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.